Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a journey like no other, a journey that transcends the physical and touches the divine. Today we delve into the heart of the Himalayas, where the Amarnath Yatra unfolds. Imagine standing amidst towering peaks, feeling the crisp mountain air, and embarking on a path trodden by millions seeking spiritual enlightenment. What drives these pilgrims to brave such formidable challenges? Let's uncover the mystery together. Nestled within the awe-inspiring Himalayas, the Amarnath Cave serves as a symbol of spiritual awakening, attracting pilgrims from all over the world on a path of introspection. The majestic snow-covered mountains encircling this holy site evoke a sense of wild beauty, embodying the strength and magnificence of the sacred journey. In the embrace of the majestic Himalayas lies the sacred Amarnath Cave, a beacon of divine enlightenment. This revered pilgrimage draws devotees from across the globe, each seeking the blessing of Lord Shiva. The 2024 Yatra has commenced, with pilgrims embarking from the base camps of Baltal and Nunwan. Each route offers a unique experience, leading to a sacred cave at an altitude of 12,000 feet, where the natural ice lingam, a symbol of Lord Shiva, awaits. Yet this journey is not for the faint-hearted. The Amarnath Yatra poses a daunting challenge. Nestled in the remote and rugged terrain of Jammu and Kashmir, pilgrims must navigate treacherous mountain trails, facing freezing temperatures, heavy snowfall, and unpredictable storms. The logistical hurdles are equally formidable, demanding seamless coordination of transportation, food, and medical facilities. How do these pilgrims overcome such obstacles? The answer lies in meticulous planning and unwavering support. A comprehensive security system featuring RFID tracking and state-of-the-art surveillance ensures the safety of every pilgrim. Community kitchens, medical facilities, and transport services cater to their needs, providing comfort along the arduous track. Local communities, residents, volunteers, and religious organizations come together, embodying the spirit of cooperation and unity. Their efforts transform the challenging journey into a seamless and enriching experience. As the pilgrim reach the sacred Amarnath cave, a hush of reverence descends. The air is thick with incense, and the steady chanting of mantras echoes through the cavernous space. Here, the magnificent ice formation symbolizes the divine Shivalingam, a tangible representation of the infinite. In this movement, the veil between the earthly and the celestial parts, allowing pilgrims to connect with the divine on a profound level. Their heart filled with humility, gratitude, and a renewed commitment to their faith. The Amarnath Yatra is more than a pilgrimage. It's a journey of faith and unity. It challenges pilgrims to overcome rugged terrain and harsh weather, fostering resilience and determination. It unites people from diverse backgrounds, transcending religious, cultural, and social barriers in a shared spiritual quest. The successful organization of the Yatra exemplifies the power of unity and harmony, showcasing the collaborative efforts of local communities, security forces, and volunteers. As we conclude this journey, I invite you to reflect on the Amarnath Yatra's profound spiritual experience. What does a pilgrimage mean to you? How does it shape your understanding of faith and resilience? Share your thoughts, experiences, and reflections in the comments. Let's continue this conversation and explore the depths of our spiritual journeys together.